Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: camera position, target, and an up hint. First, compute the forward vector as normalized target minus position. This defines view direction. Next, form the right vector by normalizing cross up forward. Once done, recompute the orthonormal up as cross forward right, so your basis is tidy and perpendicular. You're now holding a clean camera basis. Keep these three axes ready, because the next step assembles them into the view matrix. You'll now convert axes into matrix form. If your API expects row major, put right, up, and forward as the first three rows. If column major, use columns instead. Then compute translation entries by taking negative dot product of each axis with the camera position. Tx equals dot, right position, tie equals dot, up position, tz equals dot, forward position. Once computed, insert those into the matrix fourth column or row as required, and you have the camera to world to view transform ready. You're almost done. Verify by placing the camera at origin looking down negative z with up as positive y. Your view should be identity or expected offset. If objects render inverted or mirrored, check whether you built world to camera versus camera to world and invert the matrix if needed. Also confirm coordinate handedness and the graphics API's row/column and clip space conventions. If things go wrong, flip the forward sign and reevaluate cross products. That single sign error is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.